Most people are afraid of disappearing. They believe that absence means loss, loss of relevance, loss of connection, loss of identity. But psychology reveals something different. Strategic disappearance is not withdrawal, it is reorganization. It is what happens when the nervous system finally stops performing. When you stay visible for too long, you begin living in reaction. Every message pulls you outward. Every opinion shapes your behavior. Every expectation bends your decisions. Your identity becomes collaborative, not chosen, maintained. This is why constant presence feels exhausting. You are not living your life, you are managing access to it. Disappearance does not begin with silence, it begins with saturation. The mind becomes overexposed. Every emotional interaction blurs into the next. At that point, the brain does not need rest, it needs distance. Distance is not escape, it is compression. When external input drops, internal signal rises. Your thoughts stop reacting and start organizing. This is a first shift. There is a psychological detox that happens in isolation. Your nervous system recalibrates. The urgency fades. The compulsions weaken. Your sense of time changes. You are no longer measuring yourself against noise. You are measuring yourself against clarity. Most people disappear physically, but not mentally. They stop posting, but keep scrolling. They stop speaking, but keep absorbing. This is not disappearance. This is consumption in hiding. True disappearance is removal from stimulation, silence from validation, distance from performance. In the absence of audience, the mind stops editing itself. You no longer ask, how does this look? You begin asking, does this fit? This is the moment identity detaches from approval. The brain is not built to be observed constantly. Observation changes behavior, just as surveillance changes movement. When no one is watching, you move differently. You think differently. You become more honest. Disappearance is not dramatic. It is boring. And boredom is medicine. It forces the mind to face itself. No novelty, no escape, no reward loops, only unfinished thoughts, unresolved choices, and unmet potential. There is discomfort in this phase. The false self dissolves first. The part of you that existed for reaction, for praise, for reassurance. It feels like losing momentum. But momentum built on performance is fragile. What replaces it is structure. The longer you remain absent, the quieter the mental noise becomes. You stop reacting to imagined conversations, stop rehearsing versions of yourself. Your identity compresses, not into less, into essence. This is when people return changed, not louder, not showier, simpler, more precise. They speak slower, decide faster, move without explanation. Others feel it. They may not understand it, but they notice the difference. The neediness is gone. The urgency is gone. The subtle tension that once surrounded you has dissolved. You are no longer available. You are present. Disappearance does not make you better. It removes what was never you. It subtracts noise. It subtracts performance. It subtracts dependency until only intention remains. And when you return, you are not catching up. You are arriving.